To say, I actually got 1 subscriber. I saw that. So whoever you are, I was trying to look to see. But thank you. Thank you. You know, it helps to know that somebody's watching these videos and somebody likes them enough to subscribe to the channel. If I get enough subscribers, then I could do this shit full time and actually hire a cameraman and actually get a little fancy on y'all. And I don't have to keep cutting the camera on and off. When I'm working on the car, you can actually see like what I'm doing. Some funny shit does happen too in between, but you don't catch it because I'm not recording. So thank you for subscribing. And yeah, I'll holler at y'all later. Just did an oil change. My bad, wasn't thinking about recording it, but I do these quite often. So the next time I do one on the Explorer, I'll record it. And then when I do it on the Mercedes and the R32, I'll record that. But while I was doing the oil change, I realized that last time I tried to use the windshield wiper fluid, nothing was spraying out of the front, but the back works. This car was recently in the shop, and you know how those shoddy mechanics like to fuck shit up, right? So I'm like, let me check the spray part for the front windshield. So now I'm taking this apart so I don't break nothing. I got one of these things. You pull out all these clips and then make sure, you know, you don't lose none so you can pop them back in. So you pull all these out and then that part just lifts right out and it exposes the actual shooting nozzles. And then as soon as I get it off, I'm gonna inspect everything, start the car, try to use it. Obviously I'm gonna close the hood and see what the fuck is going on with it. Yeah. As you can see, these fucking idiots that took apart the hood never put them back in right. So that gap is the gap where the nipple is supposed to stick out of. And I just pushed that one through. They were both like that. So now I'm gonna push this one through. So I guess it was spraying, but it was spraying inside of the hood area. Now I gotta aim it right. Now I gotta aim it right and find the hole. Oh. Where the fuck is the hole at? Hold on. I'm gonna have to cut this off so I can do it with 2 hands. Okay, now. Boom. Push that through. Ooh. Yeah. It kind of just hangs off of this. It stays though. So that's through. The other one's through. Cool. Now we should have windshield washer fluid when we hit the button. Now time for insulation of that. And you put these things, pop these things back in, and it's good. So let me kind of show you how it goes. So you see that hole, right? Kind of just shit. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Okay. So it goes like that. Do this side now. Boom. Then you just pop these things back in and you're done. I can find a hole. Yeah. There you go. All right. Now do all the rest. So now let's check the washer fluid.